Hi guys, it's me again. So I had some problems with my cheap Harbor Freight welder about 6 months ago, so I returned it and bought this Forney Easy Weld stick welder instead. It's a little over $200 and it's been a great welder. Been using it for the last 5 to 6 months and it just works very well. And the design I like a lot because it's lightweight, yet it's well made. On the front here we have the standard current adjustment. Up to, I'd say about 50 amps, you can use it on a 15 amp circuit, but if you want to go all the way to 100, you'll need a 20 amp circuit, which can be found in bathrooms and kitchens. And on the back, we've just got the standard fan, power in, and power switch, nothing exciting, but I've really liked the included welding leads. This ground clamp has a nice copper braid here, a lot better than the cheap stuff, and same with the electrode holder. It's just overall really solid, it grips well. So yeah, let's try welding something with it. So here I'm welding some gray cast iron using 7018 electrodes with DC electrode negative polarity and at 80 amps for a 3/32 inch electrode. And the arc is very hot and the welding is going smoothly, so the welder does perform pretty well. And here's the finished weld after some cleaning. So overall, I would say this is a great welder. I mean, it does everything I need. I've welded pretty thick steel with it. It's never let me down, and you can use it with an extension cord, provided it's rated for 20 amps. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so I can take it anywhere. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and see you on next time.